Let's begin with lying on the front of our mat. Setu Bandha Sarvang Asana. Toes are close to your glutes as you raise your hips all the way up. Keep your knees in line with your ankle, hip width apart. Engage your quads and your glutes to lift your hips. Shoulders roll back, shoulder blades together. Chest is broad and lifted. Slowly come back down. And then we're gonna bring our hands behind our hip, supporting our hip. Elbows are squeezed together for Sarvang Asana. Legs are lifted as much as possible. Stack your shoulders, hip and feet together. Shoulders are bearing your weight. Hips is internally rotate and lifted. Gaze to your toes. With control, transitions to Halasana. Toes up, lowering your toes in front of you and walk your feet further away as you stack your hip. Hands on the ground. Active arm pressing on your mat. Toes are grounded. A therapeutic pose for cough and cold, insomnia and stress. Gently release. You're gonna meet me in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Push the floor away and straighten your knees. Next inhalation, right leg to the sky. Tripada Adho Mukha Svanasana. Feel the stretch on your left hamstring. Bend your top leg, your right feet and stack your hip. Shoulders roll back. Slowly walk your hand to your feet. We're gonna transition to Namitam Natarajasana, a creative balancing pose. Ground your left feet as you bend your right knees and hold your hands behind. If it is possible, you can fold forward. Hamstring stretch on your standing leg. Gently release, bend your right knee, right hand on the ground and twisting to the left. Parivirta Uttanasana. Left hand to the sky and come back down, swap side. Bend your left knee, right hand to the sky, twisting to the right. An ideal pose just to release any stiffness around our hamstring. We're gonna go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here for a couple more breaths. Next inhalation, left leg to the sky. Tripada Adho Mukha Svanasana on the other side. Frame your front feet. And we're gonna transition to Ardha Chandrasana. Left hand is 45 degrees in front of your left leg and extend your right leg parallel to your mat. Both hips are stacked together, right hand resting on your grounded thigh. Right hand is in front of your left thigh. Gently release. Gonna come all the way up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Hasta Uttanasana. Gentle back bend. Slowly fold forward, frame our feet and do a vinyasa flow. Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, and we're gonna rest in Balasana. Pause. Take a breath. Well done, guys. Do not overthink. We're gonna continue on the other side. Regulate your breath here. Couple more breath. Inhale and exhale. See how your left hamstring feel after all the stretching poses. Next inhalations, push the floor away in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lift your left leg to the sky. Couple more breath, feel the stretch on your right hamstring. Push with your hands. Bend your left leg. Stretch your quads. Slowly, keeping your left feet bent, walk your hand to your feet. Find your balance as you grab your top feet with both hands. Namittam Natarajasana. If it is within your practice, you can bow forward. When you have enough, release. We're gonna continue to Parivirta Uttanasana. Bend your right knee, twisting to the left, left hand to the sky. Bend your left knee, twisting to the right, right hand to the sky. Come back to center, walk our hand to the front of our mat. Next inhalations, right leg to the sky, prepare for Ardha Pada Ardha Chandrasana. Right leg in front of your hands. Right hand is 45 degrees to your front feet. Ground your right feet as you lift your left leg. Left hand is behind your hips and over to your right thigh. Engage your top leg. Left knee cups is pulled up. Stack your hip together. Broaden your chest. With control, come back down and hug your elbows. Rock side to side in Uttanasana. Feel the release. If headstand is in your practice, today we're gonna do Sirsasana 3. Both elbows squeeze together, palms facing against each other as you press to the floor. We straighten our leg to the sky. Squeeze your glutes together. Arms are wide to cultivate balance. Focus on your breathing. A great pose to improve your blood flow to your brain and nervous system. Reduce migraine and heartburn. Clear any blockages. Allow the prana to flow effortlessly. Lastly, we're gonna end our practice today with Padmasana. Legs are externally rotated and folded. Active foot arch as the sole of your feet are pointed to the side. Sit bones are grounded equally. A great pose to activate the parasympathetic system and calms the mind. This pose requires a great deal of flexibility to your knees and hips. Well done, guys. We're gonna go to Shavasana. If there's anything else you wanna do, you're most welcome to do now. I will call you when it is time. Gently bring your awareness to your body. Move your toes, your fingers. Give yourself a good stretch. Feet and hands are away from each other. As you exhale, choose your favorite side and bring yourself to the seat. On our next inhalations, we're gonna raise our hand to the sky as we bow forward. Thank everyone who practiced with me. I hope you have a good night's sleep. Subscribe and like if you enjoyed the practice. Namaste.